Hello friends, so this is our landing page and we want to connect this landing page with our custom domain. So this looks very ugly and we need to add custom domain in the landing page. So for that we have to go for profile, and this looks very bad. Go for my profile and then go for my account. My account, just find out billing and then in below domain. So in this column you have to add custom domain. So these are the domains we have already connected here. So I want to add fresh domain here. So for that you need to purchase one domain. So Namecheap is a very good platform where you can purchase the domain from Namecheap. It's a very cheap and very cost effective domain provider. So go for dashboard and just find out the domain which you want to purchase. Just put here the search item on which you want to purchase the domain. So let's see several voices should be my domain. So just go for search. So these are the information. These are the domains available in the Namecheap. So you can buy anyone. So these are the available domains. So these are the available domain for our landing page. Namecheap is a very powerful domain provider and it's a very cost-effective domain provider. So I will recommend you to go with Namecheap. I will also provide the link in the description box so that you can also buy from that link. So here you can just make custom offer or custom order and just put down all the information of your credit card, maybe your debit card and maybe your PayPal account. So make the payment and instantly you will get the domain in your pocket. So that's it. I think you are able to purchase the domain from Namecheap now. Now my intention is that to connect the domain with the help of our custom domain. So it means that we want to connect our custom domain with our landing page so that our landing page links will not look ugly. So I'm going to connect this domain because we have already connected lots of domains. So just paste here, add domain, then just put down and just copy down, just go to manage and advanced DNS setting and go for add new record. Go for a record and go for just copy down all the informations of Namecheap. So just copy down all the information of Aweber to Namecheap domain hosting provider. So A as well as C name. So just put all the records here itself and wait for some time and it will get approved by Aweber. If it will not approve by Aweber, then you have to ask for customer care from Aweber and they will do manually for your convenience. So this way you can add the domain to your custom landing page. So this is very important because we are running ads, so we need to have a very neat and clean domain. So without having neat and clean domain, how we can promote? Maybe our ads will get blocked, maybe our campaign will forced to stop from the Bing or maybe Google ads because it not looks genuine. So in this way just add the domain and after that we have to wait for at least 20 to 48 hours for approval. Just refresh it. So again check out. So we are using this domain for our landing page because we already connected this domain to our Aweber account. We are going to use this domain for our landing page. Just go to dashboard and go for landing pages and then go for our landing page, then go for click And here is the right side option. We just get settings, and here custom domain. Then go for default our domain, and just give the path, what kind of path you want to provide, so that if someone click here, then you can get, if someone click on that path, they will connect to the landing page. So in this way, just save and exit. So in this way, our custom domain is assigned to our landing page. So in this video, we covered everything: how we can purchase the domain from Namecheap, and how we can connect the domain into Aweber landing page. Hope you understand the concept of the today class, today lecture, today video. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much.